In this problem, we're simply supposed to factor the given expression, and the first thing I notice is that both the number 8 and the number 40 is divisible by 8, so that certainly is a factor in common to both terms. Then I notice that I have an x to a power in the first term and x to a power in the second term. You'll want to take the 1 to the smaller power and factor that out, so that's x cubed. And finally notice that we have an e to the x in both terms, so we can factor that out as well. So I need to write an expression here so that when someone multiplies 8x cubed e to the x by what I write, it generates this first term. So we already have an 8 here. Since I only have x cubed, I'll have to multiply by x so that that multiplication would give x to the fourth, and it looks like I already have an e to the x. So convince yourself that if I take this expression and simply multiply it by x, it would give this expression here. Now the only thing left to do is to write an expression here so that when someone takes this and multiplies by the second term in the parentheses, they generate this second term in the given problem. So I ask myself, what would I multiply 8 by to get negative 40? And of course that would be negative 5. And then notice to generate the x cubed and e to the x, I already have that here. So convince yourself that if you multiply 8x cubed e to the x times negative 5, you do indeed generate the term negative 40 x cubed e to the x. So I believe I've factored completely, and I don't see any simplification possible in what I've got here. So as short as that was, this is a very important skill to have.